salad again. All tastes the same when you reach day 100, but it was recommended by a really good nutritionist. Who's this? Hello?
Hello, Stacey, how are you doing?
Who's that?
It's your mum.
What's my maiden name?
Well, it's the same as my maiden name. What do you think it is?
See, you're skirting around the question, you know. You know what? People like you who are using AI and scamming technologies to impersonate people's parents, it's just not very nice, you know what I mean? Like, I was about to eat a really lovely lunch, and now I'm worried about you asking for my bank details and pretending to be my mum.
God, AI, I don't even know what AI is. What are you on about?
That's exactly what someone like you would say. Bloody scammers.